Want to make money online with zero investment? This secret method helped me earn $100 per day, no experience needed. Drop your email below to get instant access. What if I told you there's a way to make $100 a day online, without spending a single dollar upfront? No, this isn't a scam. No, you don't need experience. And yes, it's working right now for thousands of people. Here's the catch. I can't reveal the exact method here. They won't allow it. So if you want the full step-by-step guide, drop your email below, I'll send it to you instantly. Look, I get it. You've seen those make money online videos before. Most of them are either scams, or require you to invest hundreds up front. But what if you could start earning today with zero risk? That's why I created this simple 4-step system. It's so easy, anyone can do it, students, stay-at-home moms, even retirees. And the best part? You can start seeing results in days, not months. Here's a sneak peek at how it works. Step 1. You'll complete simple tasks that pay instantly. No waiting weeks for approval. Step 2. Then, you'll reinvest those earnings into powerful tools that multiply your income. Step 3. Next, you'll unlock high-paying opportunities most people don't know about. Step 4. Finally, you'll automate it so the money keeps coming in even while you sleep. I can't name the exact platforms here. So if you want the full guide, drop your email now. Our students are saying, Sarah, 28. I made $87 on my first day, no joke. This method actually works. My 42. Skeptical, but now I'm making $300 per week passively. Spots are filling up fast because I only share this with a limited group. If you're serious about making real money online, enter your email now before I close access. This is your chance to finally start earning online, without scams, without risk, and without waiting months. All you have to do is drop your email and you'll get instant access. Smash that like button if you're ready to make money, subscribe to Earn Talk for more secrets, and I'll see you on the inside.